Vivo is preparing to introduce the Vivo S50 series in China this month. The images reveal the Vivo S50 in 4 color options: Confession White, Space Black, Serene Blue, and Inspirational Purple. Unlike the S50 Pro Mini, which adopts a horizontal camera bar similar to the design seen on the iPhone Air, the S50 will have an iPhone-like triangular camera setup housed in a square camera island with rounded corners. The Vivo S50 series is teased to feature an all-aerospace-grade aluminum frame. The Vivo S50 could be equipped with a 6.59-inch OLED screen that offers 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Vivo S50's Geekbench listing revealed that it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset equipped with LPDDR5X 16GB RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Its rear camera setup is expected to include a Sony IMX882 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. It may pack around a 6,500 mAh battery supported by 90W fast charging. The other details of this phone are currently under wraps. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.